Welcome back to our channel. So today's video is going to be a holiday makeup tutorial, but I also sort of wanted to show you like my sort of everyday kind of routine, like my glam routine, except obviously the red lips is not really part of my glam routine. But I've had lots of requests to do this eye makeup look because I've worn it in lots of my videos recently, and then I actually filmed a best of beauty 2019 yesterday. I don't know when it's going to go up. I'm pre-filming a bunch of videos for Christmas time. But I realized most of the products I showed you in that video, I don't necessarily use a whole lot in my videos, but I do use them a lot. So I wanted to do kind of my go-to face makeup. So that's what I did. If I seemed a little off in the video, I've been sick recently and it's just, I don't know. And so yeah, I was just doing my makeup. I wasn't being super chit-chatty. So hopefully everything's good. But yeah, hopefully you're excited to watch this video. I don't know, but yeah, if you want to know how I did this face, just keep on watching. Okay, so first I will use the MAC Stroke Cream. This one is in the pink light, and sometimes I mix this in with my foundation, or sometimes I apply it first. Today I'll just apply it first. This just makes my skin look more glowy and feel more hydrated. And now I'm gonna use the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. I use the shade Light 2. I realized I don't actually use this a lot on camera, but in my everyday life I use this pretty much every time I do my makeup, so I wanted to use it for today. Obviously this shade, I don't know if you can tell, but it's slightly darker than my skin, but today I'm going to be wearing a turtleneck, so you won't even notice it. But if not, I just blend it down my neck usually. Also, I feel like this turtleneck is really restricting. I like it, but it's not super comfortable. But I showed this in one of my, well, pretty much the only H&M haul I have on my channel. I posted that maybe like 2 months ago now, and yeah, this has pretty light coverage, I would say, but it has a really glowy finish, so that's why I really like it. And for every day it's perfect. I'm actually almost done with this, and as soon as I finish it I will purchase another one. It's just my favorite everyday product, same as this. This is just like a really great combo. Sometimes I mix these, or sometimes I just mix this in with my foundation, but for every day these are the two that I really like to use. And now for concealer, it almost has like the same finish. This is the Magic Away from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm pretty much done with this, so I might repurchase it. I feel like it's kind of expensive for a concealer, but it's really nice. It's almost like moisturizing. It has a really glowy finish. Again, those are my kind of products for the face for every day. And then this brush is the Makeup Forever 108 brush. It's really great for concealer.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone.
Okay, now to set my face and add a bit more coverage, I will use the Studio Fix powder from MAC, which is my favorite powder ever, I think. Actually, I also have this one. Which one do I use? I kind of want more coverage today, so I'll use this one all over my face. I have it in the shade NC35, so it's also going to add a bit of color to my face. But yeah, the face powders from MAC usually run a little lighter, so that's why I go up a few shades. Yeah, this just doesn't totally mattify my skin, especially since I use the Stroke Cream, but it adds a tiny bit of coverage, and the finish is a bit more satiny, and I find that setting my face just makes my makeup last a little longer. Now I'm gonna move on to bronzer. Again, I'm gonna use this one, the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion in 30M. Okay, and then another bronzer I've been liking is this one from MAC. This was part of the spring collection. It's called a highlight powder, but this is for sure more for bronzer. I feel like there was an overlay of shimmer, but then underneath it's just more like a bronzer, and it's a red tone bronzer, which I do like. I have to be careful not to apply too much because usually these are kind of intense, so I usually go like that. But it really warms up my face, so I do like that. And I usually just apply it kind of everywhere. I love bronzer, as you know. Okay, and then blush. Again, I don't want to bore you, but this one from MAC in Spring Sheen is pretty much, I mean, this is my favorite blush. It just makes me look a little more healthy and alive. And it goes with pretty much any of my lipsticks. It's more peach. It's like a warm pink. Even do some on my nose a little bit. But today I will add highlight since I talked about this in my Best of Beauty. This is by YSL. It's the Couture Highlighter in number 1. It looks like that. It's a really pretty, like almost champagne sort of highlight. It's not too cool, not too warm, but it's also not too light. I just feel like if you're not into super intense highlight, this is going to be great for you. It just adds a slight glow. Okay, now moving on to the eyes. I'm going to use this little quad from Anastasia. So I actually made this quad. I bought these a few years ago, and my inspiration sort of, I wanted to buy the Anastasia and Mario palette, but they were sold out. I just picked like some of my favorite shades from that palette, and I got these. So these are from the permanent line. I'm not sure of the names right now. I'll leave them below. I believe this is maybe Glam, Comfort, Truffle, and Chocolate. I think actually those are the names. So that's what I'm going to be using. But first I'm just going to grab a big fluffy brush. I really like brushes from NYX if you're looking for some affordable eye brushes. So I'm just going to grab my MAC bronzer first. This is the look I do when I want something really quick and easy on my eyes. This is also what I've been doing recently in a lot of my videos. Oh, I'm going to start by applying this one all over my lid. So this is like a warm shimmery brown, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. Like that. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. By the way, if you hear some noise, my mom is blow drying her hair. And yeah. Okay, so I have that, and then I'm going to blend. I'm just going to zoom you in like that. My chair is too high. And I'm gonna go in with the darker shade. I believe this one is called Chocolate. All of these are shimmery, and usually before I used to not do like full shimmer on my eyes because I have hooded eyes and I feel like shimmer in your crease doesn't look as great. But with these shades, I don't know why, they just all work even if they're all shimmery. Obviously I put a transition shade in my crease before, like my bronzer, but then I really like these kind of brushes. This one is at E45 from Sigma. It's like pointy. So I just feel like it works really well in my crease, like that. Not in my crease, in my outer corner. And so I'll just apply that there. I'm telling you, some days it looks better than others, okay? And I'm just gonna blend it a little bit more. I feel like it looks a little smudgy. Okay, I'm gonna fix it after. And I'm gonna do the same on this side. What I'll do, I'll just grab this brush and clean up the sides a little bit. If you have hooded eyes, I feel like it really helps to do that. Sometimes I'll add a bit more concealer after, and like it really helps to lift the eyes. Okay, and then I will go in with the shade, which I believe is Comfort. I don't always use the lightest one. I will sort of clean my brush in between, and this one is more of a copper shade, and I'm just gonna apply that one like on my lid. This one is probably the more, not the most shimmery, but like it's more shimmery, I guess. I don't know. So I usually do that one on my lid, and then I will go back in with that one and mix the darker one. And usually I grab like a smaller brush, which I don't have with me. I've got my brushes downstairs, but I'm just gonna go like in my crease a little bit with that. Then with a semi-clean brush, I'm just gonna blend everything. Okay, this is kind of what I do usually. Sometimes I apply a bit more, sometimes a little less, but yeah, always these shades and kind of the same technique. And then I'll just use this brush. Already has some product on it, and I'm just gonna apply mating product on my lower lash line. I'm just gonna grab a brown eyeliner. This one is from Revlon, and it is my favorite. I mean, recently I just like a brown eyeliner pretty much. I feel like it's just more flattering for me. Okay, now I should probably do my eyebrows, but I forgot what I use for my eyebrows downstairs. Do I have something here? Actually, yes I do, because my everyday makeup is in my bedroom downstairs. This is more like my filming room, but all of this is full of makeup. I mean, not full of makeup, but I will use this. It's from NYX. It's Fill and Fluff. Can you see? It's gonna be my first time using this. Ooh, it has like a little brush. It's like an actual like little brush. And we'll use the other side. What color is this? This is chocolate, which personally, when I do my brows, I prefer something warm so it goes with my eyes, with my hair. And I'm just gonna lightly fill in my brows. I don't do my brows every day, but if I'm doing more of a full face, I think it looks slightly better. I'm gonna use a little brush on this side. We'll just grab this powder. It's the Hourglass powder. And what I've been doing recently is I will go like clean up my bronzer. I just feel like it makes my face look a bit more chiseled. So I'll usually just do that. You see, it just makes me look a little skinnier, which I don't mind. And it just makes my makeup look more glam. I feel like it works better when I have more of a full coverage foundation, but even with that. Also, I got a pimple a few days ago, but I'm not gonna cover it. And then I'll just do the same here. I don't really bake underneath my eyes because it usually makes my under eyes feel pretty dry, but I'll just do this. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my face. My face is not fully dry yet, so I'll wait to do my mascara, but I will start to line my lips. So I'm using this. I wanted to do a red lip. I haven't done a red lip since I've done this hair color, and right now it looks almost like burgundy. I mean, it's brown, but it almost has like a purple hue, so I don't know how red it's gonna look with my hair now, but we will try it out. This is from MAC. It's Brick. It is from the Patrick Star collection, but I believe Brick is a permanent color for MAC.
If you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right?
Like that. And then I will use one of my favorite red lipstick actually, and I discovered it this year. So this is Russian Red from MAC. It's in like a limited edition package, but again, this is a permanent color. And this is like a retro matte. No, just a matte.
Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone.
If you want like a true red that is not too cool tone, I feel like this one is good. Because it's not like MAC red, it's very blue tone, which is still nice. I used to really, really love that lipstick actually. But this one is more neutral. Okay, now I'm just going to curl my lashes. And I will fix my lips after. I'm going to use my favorite lash primer. It's the Marc Jacobs Velvet Primer, but before, I just feel like the Fix Plus did crease my eyeshadow a little bit, so I'm just going to go like that. Okay, and yeah, this is for sure like my favorite lash primer. It's really, really good, and it's been lasting me a pretty long time. Okay, and then my primer is not fully dry, but I feel like it works better if it's half dry. So I will then go on with my first mascara that I'm using today. It's the Lancome Hypnose Drama. This has like a really nice curved wand, so I feel like it's great to lift the lashes. Okay, I actually don't mind the color of my hair with this red lipstick. I feel like it's not too much together. But I will apply a little bit of hairspray. It's from Kerastase. It's the Lac Dentelle. Just like on my roots a little bit. I have lipstick everywhere, so this usually helps. I will show you my outfit really quickly. So as I was saying, this turtleneck is from H&M. I showed it in a haul not too long ago. It's my first time wearing it for real. I do like it, but I feel like it's very restricting around my neck. I don't know. And then for my jewelry, I'm wearing the Circle of Life bracelet from Chloe and Zach. And I'm wearing the spark necklace, but you can't really see it, but here it is. I'm wearing tights from H&M, and then actually my whole outfit today is from H&M, which doesn't happen too often. But I'm just wearing, like, it's not a dress, it's a long tank top that I got from the basics section. It was like $7 just because the sweater can't be a sweater dress, so I just have this little dress underneath, but I'll show you. So this is what it looks like. I thought about wearing a belt, but I don't know, I tried it on earlier and I didn't love it, so I think I'm just gonna wear it like that, and I will do over the knee boots. But yeah, now I'm just using this mascara. It's from YSL. It's called Volume Effet Fossile, but this one is better in my opinion to just add like volume at the base. So I might actually put my hair up with this, just because I feel like I already have such a chunky turtleneck, which I don't know, I'm feeling super constricted right now, and so I might do a ponytail. Imagine this is my holiday look. Like, hi. So yeah, I think this concludes this holiday makeup look. It was also kind of my everyday or like my go-to glam routine, except I changed the lips, and I feel like it makes it really holiday appropriate. But yeah, I wish you all an amazing holiday season with your family, with your friends. I will probably see you before the new year. I'm pre-filming a few videos because I will be away for Christmas for 1 week. I'll go visit my family in Nunavut, so I'll be there for a week. So yeah, but I will probably see you before the new year. So happy holidays, happy new year, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, I hope you do. I make hair videos, fashion hauls, makeup tutorials, and all of that. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Zadori. So yeah, once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you very soon in a new one. Bye!